Remember that the following content is just a summary of information available on the internet, generated by AI. Investing decisions carry risks. SeaLimited SE Southeast Asia's digital giant, smooth sailing or choppy waters. Company overview and industry outlook. SeaLimited is a leading internet company in Southeast Asia with three main business segments. E-commerce. Shopee is a dominant player in online retail across the region. Gaming. The Garena segment generates revenue through mobile games, including the popular Free Fire. Digital finance. SeaMoney provides payment and financial services, capitalizing on the region's digital transformation. Growth prospects. Rising internet penetration and increasing e-commerce popularity drive industry growth. Digital finance and mobile payment solutions are expanding rapidly to meet consumer demand. Financial performance and forecasts. Q3 2024 earnings. Earnings per share, 26 cents. Grossprofitmargin, 43,00%. Net profit margin, 3.54%. Quick ratio, 0.89. Current ratio, 1.62. Indicating adequate liquidity. Liabilities to assets ratio, 35.42%, reflecting healthy financial leverage. Forecasts. 2024, revenue $16.55 billion, EBIT $647.18 million, EPS 85 cents. 2025, revenue $20.12 billion, EBIT $1.60 billion, EPS $2.46. 2026, revenue $23.23 billion, EBIT $2.37 billion, EPS $3.52. Market trends and capital flows. Current price, $109.35. Support, $108.30. Resistance, $113.70. Average investor cost, $108.47, suggesting price stabilization. Capital flows, January 7, 2025. Inflows, $73.35 million. Outflows, $70.89 million. Interpretation, positive investor sentiment with stronger inflows than outflows. Analyst perspectives, average target price, $128.26, with a range of $100 to $157. Recommendations, 10 strong buy, 19 buy, 2 hold. Bullish and bearish factors. Bullish factors. Shopee's strong position in Southeast Asia's e-commerce market. Expanding digital finance operations through SeaMoney. Healthy financial structure and solid growth prospects. Bearish factors. Rising competition in the e-commerce sector, e.g., Lazada. Potential economic slowdown may reduce consumer spending. Sensitivity to currency fluctuations and trade policy risks. Political impact. Trump and SeaLimited. Changes in global trade policy could impact supply chain flows and market access. U.S. policies might affect currency dynamics in the region. Technical analysis and option movements. Technical analysis. Price near support indicates potential short-term downside risk. Buying pressure increases as the price nears $108.30. Option movements. No significant recent option activity reported. Insider transactions and short squeeze potential. Insider transactions. No significant activity reported. Short squeeze. Low likelihood due to minimal short interest. Summary. Reasons to buy. Strong growth in Southeast Asia's e-commerce market. Positive earnings and revenue forecasts. Strong support at $108.30, coupled with positive investor sentiment. Reasons to sell. Intensifying market competition. Economic slowdown risks may limit consumer spending. Currency and geopolitical risks. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for easier access to future analyses. Please like the video to help us understand your needs better. If you want us to prepare a similar short report on another company, write its name in the comments. We do not engage in brokerage activities consisting of investment advice, portfolio management including one or more financial instruments, or preparing recommendations regarding transactions in financial instruments, or any other brokerage activities specified in the Act on Trading in Financial Instruments. Journal of Laws, 2005, number 183, item 1538. In accordance with Regulation EU number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council of April 16, 2014 on market abuse, and the Commission Delegated Regulation, EU 2016/958 of March 9, 2016 supplementing Regulation EU number 596/2014 of the European Parliament and of the Council with regard to regulatory technical standards for the technical means for objective presentation of investment recommendations or other information recommending or suggesting an investment strategy and disclosure of particular interests or indications of conflicts of interest. The information provided in this recording is a compilation developed based on data and content collected from various internet sources, which are not always fully verified by us. They are for educational purposes and as part of an experiment on AI capabilities. When making investment decisions, the user should rely on their own judgment. Transactions conducted by the user are considered their own independent decisions.